certificate help you get a better chance?
Does the certificate, what's that? Okay.
Does this certificate help you get a better chance of getting a job?
You know what increases your chances of getting a job? He asked a question. He wants to know if the certificate increases your chances of getting a job. And to that, I would say, no. You increase your chances in getting a job. Sir. That's up to you. No one guarantees you a job. It's just like I was talking to him about the presentation. Nobody cares. The application gets you there. The interview is what gets you the job. So that's on you. It's not about a certificate, because there are people who are getting jobs that don't even have certificates. But it's about how they present themselves. And so that's what I want to talk to you all today. It's about communicating confidence. Because to your point, there are people who are looking at you, you don't even know anything about it.